Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace and enjoying your life. Yes, children, along with your work, we should also enjoy our life, but be regular in your studies too. Now, children, before I start today's work, let's have a quick recap of what we read in the chapter the day before yesterday. Yes, we read the chapter Save the Earth. As the name itself is telling that the chapter was related to Earth and the ways how we could or can save the Earth. Now, children, what was there in the chapter? There was the chapter was related to Save the Earth means the celebration of Earth Day was being done in a school by the children of class 3. So, how did they celebrate that day, Earth Day? The children were told by the teacher that they can dress up like animals, trees, or anything related to earth and speak about it, how they can save the earth. So the children celebrated the Earth Day on 22nd April with a function, and one by one the children of class 3 came up and talked about how the ways and means how they can save the earth. One child came out to be a tiger and he told that you should not cut trees and save the forest. As I am a homeless tiger, I don't have house to live, food to eat, so please don't cut the forest. Another came up as a trees, that I am a tree, please don't cut me, you get oxygen from me, you get fruits, vegetables, air, shelter from me. Another came as dressed up as a plastic bottle and it explained you how can you recycle it and many other ways. So the chapter was related to this. Now children, today I will be doing new words and word bank with you of this chapter. So to start with, please take out your notebooks, write the date, day and classwork here. After that, first line chapter 7, second line the name of the chapter Save the Earth. Save S capital, Earth E capital. Third line new words. New N capital, words W capital. Your first word is interesting. INTERESTING, interesting. Second word is important. IMPORTANT, important. Third word celebrated. CELEBRATED, celebrated. Fourth is homeless. HOME, home. LESS, homeless. Fifth, presence. PRESENTS. Sixth, pollution. POLLUTION, pollution. Seventh, traffic. TRAFFIC, traffic. Eighth, electricity. ELECTRICITY, electricity. Ninth, newspapers. NEWS, news. PAPERS, papers. 10th, rubbish. RUBBISH, rubbish. I hope all of you have written this much. Now children, please take out new page and write the word meaning, not from the same page, from the new page. Again you will write the date, day, classwork here, chapter 7, Save the Earth and word meanings. First word is recycling. Making use of something in another form. Second is homeless. Homeless means when we don't have any home. Having no home. Nervous but excited. Scared and eager at the same time means sometimes we are nervous to do something. For example, if I tell you to perform or a dance, or give speak some lines in the class also. So you are excited to speak the lines or to dance, but side by side we are a little bit nervous, so scared and eager at the same time. Fourth is wisely, having the knowledge, experience to make good and sensible decision. Wisely means to work upon intelligently, means having the knowledge or experience to make good and sensible decisions. When we have the capability of making good and sensible decisions, means which makes proper sense and which is good for us as well as for others, so we say that we are you can say taking decision very wisely. Children, after this, again new page, day class to be written, same, and here you will write again classwork. Say what name of the chapter, and here instead of word meaning you will write frame sentences or make sentences. Now children, you will make sentences of these 4 words, and after making the sentences of these 4 words, you will send the work for checking to me, your new words, word bank and frame sentences. And in tomorrow's class, I will be doing question answers with you. Till then, have a great day. God bless you all, and side by side learn this word meanings also. Tomorrow, before I start your question answers, I will be taking oral revision of these things, new words and word meaning. Till then, bye. God bless you. Have a great day ahead.